Peering into the universe, the role of space telescopes.
Space telescopes, like Hubble and James Webb, orbit far above Earth's atmosphere. This vantage point allows them to capture clearer images of the cosmos, gathering light and data from distant stars, galaxies, and planets. These instruments provide scientists with a unique view that ground-based telescopes simply can't achieve, setting the stage for major discoveries.
Capturing raw data, from light to digital signals.
Telescopes collect raw data in the form of light using sensitive detectors. This light is converted into digital signals, often resulting in streams of numbers rather than the colorful images seen in news reports. These data packets are then transmitted to Earth, where they await processing by teams of scientists and powerful computers.
Processing the data, turning numbers into images.
Once on Earth, raw data is processed and calibrated. Scientists correct for any distortions, remove background noise, and combine multiple exposures. By applying filters for different wavelengths, they transform the information into detailed images and spectra. This step brings the universe into focus, revealing patterns and features hidden in the original data.
Analyzing the images, searching for new insights.
Astronomers interpret processed images and spectra to study the composition, movement, and structure of celestial objects. They look for unusual features, patterns, or signals that might point to new phenomena like exoplanets, black holes, or distant galaxies, and compare their findings with theoretical models to determine what they've discovered.
From data to discovery, changing our understanding.
The entire process, from raw data collection to in-depth analysis, often leads to groundbreaking discoveries. Data from space telescopes has revealed the expansion of the universe, the existence of dark energy, and planets around other stars. Each breakthrough builds on careful data processing and interpretation, showing how essential these steps are for advancing science.